Hey, it's Mr. Berdis. Today we're going to talk about the Ryobi PSB-RAO2K 1+ HP brushless 18-volt compact 3/8 inch right angle drill. Okay, this is a kit, hence why the long number. It comes with a volt battery and a charger and the manual going through that. I bought this to get into tight places. It has plenty of torque. What I like is it actually has the light here. Features on this: you get 2 speeds. You got 1 and 2, so you can change the power, so you can use it for driving screws, and you can actually use it for drilling holes. You got the button right here for forward and reverse, and I've got a bit in there now. And one of the nice things with this is, yes, you can, with your regular drill, you can buy an extension, a flexible extension, so you can actually try and get into those tight places. But with a large full-size drill, you're still not going to get a full 90-degree angle, and the bit has a tendency to float. So that is an option. So I like this because we can do all kinds of different things. We're actually going to take it, I'm going to try and drive some screws. Take that out, put that in, and we're going to actually take it and we're going to see what kind of power we have. We're going to drive one screw in with it in the number 1 position. See what happens. Get that in. Pilot hole in there. Put this in reverse. Take out our bit. Go ahead and take a regular wood bit. So get that in there. Drill pilot hole. Change it to 2. You can see the difference in the power. You get plenty of power. So take that, bring that back. Take your bit out. Ready to try and put our screw in. Goes in. Put it in reverse. Comes straight out. So it's got plenty of power, and it's all for those tight angled areas and places like under sinks and different places that you can actually use a drill like this. I like the power handle. The other thing is the actual switch right here. If you put it in the middle, it actually locks. So if it's locked, you're going to have to push it forward or all the way back. So always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. See you in the shop.